Today I'm going to share with you 3 eBay SEO tips and tricks that you need to know right now to optimize your eBay store. These tips will help you increase your visibility, drive more traffic, and ultimately boost your sales. So let's dive right into this. And our first tip actually revolves around optimizing product titles. Your product titles are incredibly important as they will help eBay search algorithm understand what you're selling. Here's what you need to do. Just keep watching and let me know what you think of these tips and tricks by commenting below, okay? So tip number 1 is to make sure you include the main keywords that accurately describe your item. So put yourself in the buyer's shoes and think about what what they would search for, what they would look for, and keep your titles concise and focused. eBay has a character limit for titles, so it's very crucial to convey the essential information within that space, and avoid keyword stuffing or using irrelevant terms that may confuse potential buyers. You have to prioritize the order of keywords based on their importance. What it means is that you have to place the most relevant keywords at the beginning of your title, as eBay search algorithm tends to give more weight to the first few words. This way you increase your chances of appearing higher in the search results. Not to mention that you can use Zik Analytics Title Builder for this. Let me show you. So check this out, how quick it is. Okay, so first let's look for a product that we want to work on the title. So we're here in the main dashboard. Let's look for any of these trending eBay products. Let's see, for example, this one, right? So this is a S26 XL removal pedal, 2 bra plus. Okay, so what is this? So the first thing that you do, you go to the listings, right? And then you look this, what is this product about? And then you choose 1 to 2 keywords about this. All right, so this is a removable bra. Okay, removable bra. So I'm just gonna copy this, and then you go to Zik Analytics, the title builder right here, and then you type removable bra. Okay, now the title builder is going to give you 2 columns. It's going to give you a column of long tail keyword ideas and the generic keyword ideas. The long tail keyword ideas is basically what people write when they go to eBay and they look for removable bra. They just don't write removable, or they just don't write bra, right? So these are the long tail keyword ideas, and the generic keyword ideas basically just the individual keywords that have a lot of searches and sales. So always focus on the amount of sales. So you can see here that strap wire-free bra has a lot of sales, wire-free bra style, a lot of sales, and so on. But a tip that I want to give you is that first you go to the title, you copy, and then you paste here, and then you remove all unnecessary keywords. So there's 72 characters out of 80, and I don't see top plus size here in the searches. So we can remove these top plus side. Now I think it's important to leave the specifications here from S to XL removal. Okay, so let's start here. So strap wire free bra, that's 89. We have strap wire free. We don't have wire free bra. We don't have wire free. So wire free could be a word. Wire free. Okay. We have wire free bra style. Maybe we can add that then. Okay, wire free, because that's a good keyword. All right, and then we have 78 characters are already out of 80. Now, as you can see here, it may not look like a big deal, but you just removed a couple keywords that did not have a high average search or sales, and then you added ones that have. So just this small change will already make a difference. And then you can think about, for example, if it makes sense as you read it. Removal pedal, bendol, 2 bra, stretchy, strapless, wire-free bra style. I think it makes sense. So this is it. And then you copy here, copy to clipboard, and copy to your listings, okay? Now, moving on to our second tip. It's all about optimizing your title descriptions. Beyond the product title, the item description plays a vital role in attracting potential buyers. And here's what you should do to make the most out of it, all right? So don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you never miss an update from our channel, because we are producing a lot of great content for you, okay? So tip number 2, optimize your item descriptions. First and foremost, provide a detailed and accurate description of your item. You have to be specific about item, like its features, dimensions, conditions, and any relevant details. And the truth is that the more information you provide, the better informed the buyer will be, leading to increased trust and potentially more sales. It's very important to include relevant keywords naturally through your description. While it's essential to optimize for search engines, remember that your description is ultimately meant for human readers. Okay, so you have to focus on creating informative and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Having said that, consider using bullet points or subheadings to make your description more scannable and easy to read. Okay, because many buyers just skim through the descriptions. So organizing this information in a clear and concise manner can make a significant difference in capturing their attention. And our final tip revolves around leveraging eBay's built-in promotion tools to enhance your store's visibility. Let's explore how you can make the most out of these features. Okay, so don't go anywhere because there's a lot of valuable information coming up. So this is tip number 3, is to use eBay's Markdown Manager to create temporary price reductions or offer discounts on multiple items. Not only this encourage potential buyers to make a purchase, but it also helps your listing stand out in the sale with the sale badge. Okay, there's like this little sale badge. So with this in mind, consider running promoted listings. This advertising feature allows you to boost the visibility of your listings by placing them at the top of the search results or alongside similar items. And you can choose the ad rate that you're willing to pay, making very flexible and effective the way to increase your reach. All right, and before we end the video, let me just give you a bonus tip. Did you know that you can use the power of IA to enhance your eBay SEO strategy? Yeah, I mean, one of the new ways to do this is by leveraging IA power tools like ChatGPT, which can assist you in optimizing your listings. So here's how you can use ChatGPT to boost your SEO efforts. You can use ChatGPT to generate compelling product descriptions. By providing ChatGPT with the necessary information of your item, it can craft, it's crazy. I'm going to show you soon. It can craft engaging and keyword-rich descriptions that appeal both to your search engines and to potential buyers. And the cool thing is that it saves you time and ensures that your descriptions are well written and optimized. Also, if English isn't your first language, isn't your mother language, it's a great tool because the English is just perfect. So let me show you how you can do it. Okay, so let me show you. So let's just go back to that product, okay? With a simple click in Item Finder, we'll find this product on AliExpress. And why am I doing this? Because I want to show you from scratch that you can go to the supplier and get information of the product. By the way, this is a good product, has a nice profit margin. But anyway, you copy the description. Let's see if there's anything else here. Not just photos. Okay, and then you go to ChatGPT and you write this, write me a compelling product description of this product. And then you simply paste it like this, okay? And then check it out. Check it out how quick it is, all right? And introducing our stunning, oh my God, it's just perfect. Crafted with meticulous attention to the details, it talks about everything. Now, you can also ask, can you also write me in bullet points? And then it's going to say, yeah, sure, I can do it, right? So this is it. Look, so you could actually use some of this text just to, as a hook in the beginning, like this, just the first paragraph. And then you can add all these bullet points right here so it's easier to understand. And that's how easy it is and how quick. All right, just remember that IA tools like ChatGPT can be incredibly helpful. But it's very important to review and edit the content generated, just to ensure that it aligns with your brand, with your store, and it meets your specific requirements. If everything is there, everything that you want is there. So, yeah, there you have it. These are the 3 eBay SEO tips and a bonus tip using ChatGPT to optimize your eBay store. Now, by implementing these strategies, I'm sure that you will be well on your way to improve your visibility, attracting more buyers, and boosting your sales. So keep moving forward and see you next time.